Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. This time I will talk about smart callbacks. Well, callbacks in general are a very common feature to graphical user interfaces. So if you click a push button or a checkbox, or if you move the slider, the event loop will invoke the callback function. In most cases these will be normal callback functions or simple callback functions. And to demonstrate this, I added an example to the application that I created for today. So here we have the checkbox reversed, and I can click on it and you can see how the state changes. This is a message which is sent from the callback functions. Let's take a look at the code to be very clear. Okay. So here the checkbox is created. And here we connect a callback function to the checkbox. Yeah, it's easy. And here we see the callback function. It receives an argument. This is the state of the checkbox. And we print a line to the log widget and together with the state of the checkbox. Very easy. Now, before I come to smart callbacks, I have to explain the use case. It is about color maps. Here you can see the currently selected color map. It's hot. We can select some other thing. And then we have two menus, colors and all colors. In the menu colors, I put those colors which I use quite often. So it's a subset of all available colors. And then there's a menu all colors. And there I have all the colors which are available in matplotlib. So the problem is to handle two groups of color map names, and this is this is done with smart callbacks. And you may say, Thorsten, why are you using the smart callbacks? For this purpose, you can just simply use a combo box, and combo box are working, and this should be possible. Okay. So to demonstrate this, I implemented two combo boxes, colors and all colors, and we can, here is a currently selected color map, and we can see, yes, it works. Yeah. Then all colors. Oh, there's many colors, and part of the list is hidden behind the camera view. Just to let you know. So there are many colors, too many. And maybe it's possible to create a hierarchy of combo boxes to have to organize these colors in a better way. I did not check, and I'm not interested because this looks bad. And we have here two combo boxes, and they do not show the same value, and they just pollute the GUI. I don't like this. This is why I'm using smart callbacks for this application. Okay, let me show you. Here we create the menu colors, and here we have the loop. This utils maps is a list of color maps from a file utils.py. You will find it in GitHub. And here we have the loop index color map name. We create an action, give it the name color map name. We add the action to the menu, and then we connect the callback. And this time we use this make color callback. And we give one argument, the loop index, the color map name. Okay, the color map name, by the way, starts to exist exactly at this line, and it is deleted when the loop is finished. And this is usually during the initialization. The initialization has happened long before we look at this application here. Beware. Okay. Now let's look at make color callback. Here we are. Make color callback. So we have the argument. This is the loop index. Then we define an internal function, and we use the loop index, the color map name. This case we set the text and we send a message to the log widget. In a real world application there would be more things to be done with this color map name. And then we return the internal function. Not the value which is produced by the function, we return the function. And the function will be invoked by the event loop. So this is all. This is the implementation of smart callbacks. It's interesting that the loop index which we use here is still existing now when we use it. Yeah, it survives the initialization phase of these menus. And this is because the loop index is used in this internal function. It's frozen, so to say. And the whole construct is called closure. So it's, I mean, easy to program, easy to, I think, to use, and a little bit tricky. I mean, the scope of this variable is different from normal lexical variables. Okay, I think this is all that I wanted to say today. I created an application, smartcallbacks.py. I will upload it to GitHub, from where you can download it and play a little bit, and especially with these smart callbacks, I would say. Yes, I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.